that's my advice. Batter, splatter, it's alright. Messy kitchen feels so bright. Grab the pan, hear it sizzle. Creativity starts to drizzle. Oh, it's food, it's fun, it's magic too. 5-minute meal. What can't we do? Stir it fast, flip it high, toss it up,
makeover. Like a marshmallow, toffee, apple. Fresh baked love is in the air. Yay! It smells like ooh. Ooh. It smells like ooh. Oh, 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 yippee, yaddy-da-do. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, pew, oh, 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 yippee, yaddy-da-do. Oh, yeah, pew, oh, oh, yippee, yaddy-da-do. Oh, yeah, pew, oh, oh, yippee, yaddy-da-do. It smells like ooh. I don't care, I do it 'cause I like it. Acting boozy, steps that I look striking. I don't care, what do you think of me? Though I can do whatever 'cause I like it. I might not be a TikTok star, maybe fame will never look my way. might not be a TikTok star,